Sarah Schafer owns the Sarah Schafer Farmers Insurance Agency, and she brought with her today Mark Holcomb, who is a licensed realtor, Century 21 affiliated. We're going to start with you, Mark. Let's talk about the real estate market. What's happening? Let's talk about interest rates.
Yeah, so there's a lot of talk on interest rates, but interest rates affect everything. Sure. So something that a lot of people don't understand is that it affects rent as well. So a lot of cases in a traditional, 2-bedroom, 1-bath home, the rent's going to be $1,200 to $1,600 a month. When you can own that same home a lot of times for $800 to $1,000 a month and pay yourself $400 or $500 every month. Yeah. And one of the more important things is there's so many great programs out there. MISH has got some great programs for our state and first-time homeowners to really help people take advantage of that.
Yeah, I think a lot of people aren't aware of the MISH programs. That's how I bought my first house a long time ago, and it helps you build that equity that you take through life with you.
Yes, and the programs are better than ever right now and easier to obtain, so yes.
Okay, all right. Now, Sarah, when we're buying our house, we got to have home insurance.
Right, so right now, especially with this market, it's really important to make sure that the house is in good condition, that the roof is good, that every time you apply for insurance, an insurance will bind, but the insurance company goes out and does an inspection. So if you have a bad roof, or you have a dilapidated other structure, or you have a bunch of missing paint or other things, the insurance could decide that it wants to cancel the insurance. So it's really important to make sure that your condition of what you're buying is in a good shape for insurance-wise,
right.
and probably for the loan requirements as well.
Absolutely, yes. So those things are considered in appraisals as well. So,
consider, the quality, and because insurance really, it's not a maintenance policy, unfortunately, but it's for catastrophes.
Yeah.
So, and then two, depending on if you buy an investment property or what you're buying, just make sure you let your agent know how it's titled and what it is, because oftentimes people insure something incorrectly if you're not open to your agent. Because if you don't live in the house, you shouldn't have a homeowner's policy.
Yeah, that can mess you up in lots of ways. So let's talk about investment properties.
Yeah, investment properties are really hot right now, especially in the mid-Michigan, kind of greater Lansing area.
Yeah.
I personally have clients from the West Coast. You can't buy properties out there, but you can buy properties here for.
Right.
So I've got clients that I've only met on the phone. So they buy properties here and they obviously rent them, or they flip them. What that means is they buy a property that's a cash only, typically a house that's been run down or dilapidated.
Yeah.
They invest some money into it and then resell it as a reconditioned home.
Okay, and that wouldn't be it'd be a good time to get a hold of one of those houses now if you're in that market.
Absolutely.
All right, thank you both for stopping by Farmers Insurance, the Sarah Schafer Agency, and Mark Holcomb, licensed realtor. Find out more online.